Hi guys, it's Matthew again. Today is 1st of August 2022 and we are going to drop some strategies today across our 3 channels. As you can see, we've logged in and these are our first strategy today. Make sure you subscribe to all the 3 channels. We are going to drop many strategies today across the 3 channels. So here we are going to be trading the bull market index rise and fall, and we've logged in right there. We're going to be trading the lower, and so once you log into the deriv.com interface, that is deriv.com, then you go to the top left corner, you go to smart trader. So once you go to the smart trader, you go to the static indices, you click on it, then you go to bull market index. So once you do that, you go to the rise and fall, you click on it, that's under, ups and down. Then you set the durations to seconds. Here you set it to seconds, then you set this to 17. Then you can enter the amount you want to stake, depends on what you have in your account. As we all know, the rise and fall comes with huge profit and also higher risk, so you can lose some trades and you can also win some trades right here. So we're going to be working with this number here, the second to the the third to the last here. It has to be 0 before we click on the lower. So let's watch and place a trade there. You can see as 1. We are watching this this number here as the second to the last, as the second number here after the dot. We're watching this number, it has to be 0. So once it's 0, we're going to be clicking on lower as 1 5, that's 4 6 2 9 9 1 4 8 8 again 5 9 6 5. You have to be patient. Okay, that's 0 there, that's 0. So we're going to view this and watch the outcome of our trade. Okay, you can see we won that trade again. If you watch carefully, you can see the entry spot and you can see the exit spot right there. You can see we won that trade. So we are going to drop many strategies today, so we won't stay longer. We're going to drop at least between 9 to 10 strategies today. So for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, is the TOUCHSCALPER boat right there. The current version for the August, as the August version is out, and we've sent it to all those who have previously purchased the boat. We programmed the boat again. So this is the August version, and you can see some of the results right there. To order the boat, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the boat, and the PIPSREAPER boat as well. The PIPSREAPER boat, we've updated it today as well. The August version is out, August 2022. So to order the PIPSREAPER boat, all you have to do is to visit binarypipsreaperboat.ctytechnologies.com.ng. As stated earlier, make sure you subscribe to all our channels. We're going to drop many strategies today across all the 3 channels. So here are the links again. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER boat. We're going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. This is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boats, and these are the links to subscribe to our channels. For those who don't have a trading account, this is the link to sign up for a free trading account to test all the strategies on demo before you go live. Make sure you check the links in the video description on Facebook, on YouTube. This is a link to subscribe to the 2nd channel, and this is a link to subscribe to the 3rd channel, and to read written tutorials, this is a link to join our forum. Thanks for watching. Bye.